I am very happy to give my words of appreciation for the excellent work done by Aashwasan during the last 18 years. They are in the process of reducing the stress of the people through their spiritual healing. I myself had the pleasure and privilege of visiting Aashwasan 10-12 years before, and I was treated by Ravi, Maithili and Trisha. And when I was afflicted with COVID, when I was in the hospital, they contacted Aashwasan and they were able to do the distant healing through their processes. It was very helpful, and I got cured after that healing. The founder and chairman of this Aashwasan group, Rashmi Aiyappa, I think she is supposed to be endowed with a lot of spiritual powers, and she has been spreading this service throughout the world. I didn't have an opportunity to interact with her. I look forward to an early opportunity to find out the thought process of Rashmi as to how she thought of starting this spiritual healing and make it very acceptable to all people across the globe. I wish them all the very best. Look forward to an opportunity when they celebrate their silver jubilee and do yeoman service to the suffering humanity. Thanks.